Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 54-in-1 Ratchet handheld screwdriver set, and this thing is really great. If you don't have a set like this, I really recommend looking into them because it really handles pretty much everyday tasks that you could possibly imagine. I use mine all the time. This is so versatile, you guys. This thing here is the main unit itself. This is the ratcheting screwdriver portion, and you can see that it can twist, or you can then locks into place. This will be for unscrewing things. On the top, there's actually a little switch here. It's like a ratchet. Switch it. Now it's the other way. Now it's for tightening things, but that's not all. If you're needing to get into tighter spaces, some of the things that you can do would be to take one of these ends and add it into here, like that, extending that out as far as you need to go. So that way, when you're getting clear down into something, you can easily use this back part. If you're needing more leverage, simply insert those up here. And again, you've got maximum leverage to now to twist all that all the way around, getting into so many tight spaces. You also have all these versatile bits in here. Again, 54-in-1. And then this is nice because this bit set here is color coordinated. It also covers a majority of the most used bits. So it's not going to have thousands of unneeded bits. This has star bits. You've got your hex head bits. You've got your generic socket set in here that you can utilize as well as some of these security type bits that are located in there too. So you have a lot of different features that you can use. They even give you the adapter here to be able to use those sockets with, which is nice. If you're going to be using it, like I have to find random bits all the time, like to tighten some of our camera equipment here. It happens to come loose. You easily can select whichever bit. This happens to be an H3. I know it is from experience. It's got a magnetic end in the end of this. It kind of magnets in like that. I don't know if you can see that. But that way it's not going to fall out of there onto the floor. I've got it set to tighten. Let's say I want to loosen something up, switch it to loosen, and just simply insert this in where it needs to go. Now I can ratchet it to loosen that up like that. To take it out, if I need to tighten it up, simply switch it and tighten it down so that it's ready for filming. And then I can simply insert the bit back. And the fact that all of this fits in this really nice storage case that locks itself shut, this is not going anywhere. It's not going to spill all over the place, and you can take this with you. This is going to be great for you to keep at home, give away to a college student that's needing a lot of those extra tools, or give it as a fantastic gift.